Hey, Chip Foose here, and I am extremely lucky because I wanted to build two Meyers Manxes, and I'm building one for myself and one for my girlfriend Kathleen. And I am so lucky that the guys here at EMPI given me the right to actually build the two chassis here in their shop, and I'm using all of their parts to build the two rolling chassis before I finish the cars. I just blew them out, got them cleaned up, and we're going to start putting these two together with all the parts here from EMPI. I am so lucky, and so are you, Kathleen.
So right now we're just running a tap, just clean all the threads, make sure there's no powder in them, so that way all the bolts go in nice and smooth. Chip just sandblasted these, put some fresh paint on them, fill them up with some fresh grease, so we'll get them on the beam.
Got a new direction now.
Now we're going to put Chip Foose's transmission in his Dune Buggy. Victor just finished it up, putting all the mounts on it, so we're just going to lift it all in there and put it in.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm lucky enough to be standing here with Chip Foose, and I've got Victor on my right here, and what we're looking at is two shortened chassis that are ready to become Meyers Manx Dune Buggies. We want to say that this started about a year and a half ago as kind of just a light discussion. We sent out some chassis, which you're looking at right here, to our friends at Meyers Manx. They provided the shortening services and all the reinforcements you see on the metal itself. From there, we brought it into EMPI, and well, we took two pallets of parts and put them into these two chassis. We've got a hot rod version, which I'm going to let Chip do whatever he wants to as far as giving out secrets, and then we have your basic, classic, traditional Meyers Manx. All EMPI parts. We've got some Bilstein shocks here, EMPI shocks there, Willwood brakes over here, which are a part of EMPI's product lineup. And other than that, Chip?
You know, it's amazing. I brought over the two floor pans, I brought the transaxles, and the steering box. Everything else on these two chassis is completely supplied by EMPI, including the labor. Good luck ordering that. But I can't wait to get these back to my shop, start putting them together, and if you're going to SEMA this year, you're going to see one of these in the Foose booth.
Along with all the great EMPI parts, we also want to say thank you to Rancho Transmission.
Thank you, Rancho Transmission.
Of course, Johnny over at Transaxle Engineering for all the help and support.
Johnny, really appreciate it. Thank you.